This video mainly explains how to teach point and a detailed introduction to the teach point page. First, open the DRAStudio software and enter the homepage. Open project page. Right-click DRASolution. Click Add New or L Project to add a new project. Enter project name. Click the Project Edit button. Confirm that work will be operated under this project. Open the point page. Points are classified into local points and global points. Local point follow project, up to 6,000 points, can be used. Global points can be called in all projects. Click the local point tab. There are 4 function options on the lower left of the local point page: add, delete, clear, and save. We can click Add to add a new point number. Points can also be deleted. Select unnecessary points. Click Delete to delete this point. If the point coordinates are wrong, you can clear the point information. Modify point information as you want. Give the x-coordinate a value of 10 mm and check the point. Click Clear button to clear the point information. At this time, the field turns orange to indicate the temporary storage status. You can click Save to save the current point information. Click point 1001. At this time the field is blue. The auxiliary page. Click Jog tab in the auxiliary page. The robot can be moved according to joint coordinates, world coordinates, user coordinates, and tool coordinates. For a detailed introduction to the coordinate system, please refer to Chapter 2 of the user manual. The current robot is demonstrated according to the world coordinates. Move robot to target position. Confirm that the robot has reached the target position, and the point field of point 1001 is blue. Click Teach button to record the robot information to point 1001. Move robot to another target position. Confirm that the robot has reached the target position, and the point field of point 1002 is blue. Click Teach button to record the robot information to point number 1002. At this time, the point field turns orange to indicate the temporary storage state. Click Save to save the project. Choose how to move. You can choose between joint movement, linear movement, lifting movement, arch joint movement, arch linear movement, tool coordinate offset joint movement, tool coordinate offset linear movement. Several methods. For detailed information, please refer to Chapter 4 of the user manual. Take linear movement as an example. Press and hold the Go. The robot will move in a straight line. Confirm that the robot moves to the teaching point and complete teaching local points. Click Global Point tab. Functions at the bottom of the Global Point page. Refresh, Clear, Teach, and Go. Several functional options. Select point number 1 to teach point. Confirm that the robot is in the target position. Click Teach button. Record arm information to point number 1. Select point number 2 to teach points. Confirm that the robot is in another target position. Click Teach button. Record arm information to point number 2. Select point number 1. Press and hold to go. The robot will move to the point number 1. Confirm that the arm moves to the teaching point. Complete the teaching global points. If you want to clear other point information, any modification of point number 3, set the X coordinate to 10 millimeters. After checking the point, click Clear. The coordinate information of point is cleared. Switch to the Point tab in Auxiliary page. Can perform point correction through parameter correction. In the Point tab of Auxiliary page, you can also use the Offset function. Check multiple points. Perform batch point offset correction. Select the Move method below. Will change the parameter input in the Auxiliary page. Joint and linear movement. The Offset block directly corrects the coordinates of the point, X, Y, Z, or Z, etc., and modifies the point information. For the motion block, robot will move to the target position corrected by X, Y, Z and or Z parameters, but do not modify the point information. Move in the lifting mode, and the setting of offset block same as the previous item. For the motion block, robot will move to the target position, and the path depends on direction, A, angle, B, and height, C, parameters. As shown in the figure below, the point information is not modified. Moving in arch mode, setting of offset block same as the previous item. For the motion block, set the Z-axis vertex point top, Z-axis rising height rise, and Z-axis falling height drop parameters. As shown in the picture on the right, the point information is not modified. For detailed parameter settings of the above options, please refer to Chapter 4 of the user manual. Take linear motion as an example. In the parameter column of the auxiliary page, write 10 millimeters in the X direction. Click Offset point will add 10 millimeters in X direction, and setting for other direction is the same. Modify the point back to the original point information. Click Save to restore to the original position. Set the X direction parameter to 50 millimeters in motion block of the auxiliary page. Selecting linear move and clicking Go button, robot will move to the position plus 50 millimeters in the X direction of the point. But the point information will not be modified. The settings for other direction are the same. When completed the point setting, point import and export operations can be performed in the Point tab of Auxiliary page. Click Export. Points in the current project can be exported to a CSV file. Click the project page. Create a project again and start editing. Click Point page. Click Point tab in the auxiliary page. Click Import button. The generated CSV file can be edited in Excel. Import the generated CSV file. Complete copying all the points to new project. Finally, summarize this teaching video. Local point follow project, up to 6,000 points, can be used. A maximum of 1,000 global points can be stored in the controller. All projects can call. The coordinate system is classified into joint, world, user, tool. Need to confirm the coordinate system selection when teaching points. The robot movement methods include joint, linear, lift, arch, tool coordinate offset. Be careful when moving. The key points are as listed above. The above is the content of this teaching video. Thank you for watching.